Live from the Republic of the Congo, here's your host, Meg Crimson. Welcome to this world premiere webcast of Secrets of the Wild. Today we will show you images of untamed, barely explored wilderness at its most mysterious. We're approaching the source of the Motaba River at great personal risk and only for your enjoyment. Now let me introduce you to the captain of our boat, the man who will take us deep into...
Oh.
Hey! What's going on here? Captain! Derek! Shut the camera! Derek! What's wrong?
I seem to have been hit by some sort of arrow.
Don't worry. I'll get some help. Captain, are you all right?
These arrows must be poisoned. Here, take this antidote, dissolve it in alcohol, and bring it back before the poison makes it to my brain. Go! Hurry!
I feel weak. Must be poison.
Here, drink this.
Where's my luggage? I can't leave without it.
I'll get them for you. These doors are locked. Rats. The doors locked themselves and now I'm stuck in here. hope the captain managed to escape. And to think that I almost got myself killed to save your stupid luggage.
If I may, I assure you that our ultimate survival depends on certain items which I'm carrying.
Yeah, right. Anyway, let's get out of here.
Too late, I'm afraid.